We're here at the historic Roman town, the city of Chester. Today, we're going into this beautiful iconic hotel, the Chester Grosvenor. They have a restaurant called Arkle with a wonderful tasting menu. In tasting menus, usually wine is paired with the dishes. So we're gonna replace that glass of wine with a glass of tea. Let's go and see if the chefs, sommeliers, and many others enjoy it.
With me for this tea test, I also brought fellow tea professional, sommelier, and author of Tea Wine Sober Sibling, Mariella Erkins.
Hello.
Hey, hi Neil.
Welcome.
It's good to be here.
Can't wait for you to experience the flavors.
I can't wait either. It's exciting to be here.
You ready?
I am, absolutely.
Let's do this.
We first asked our contestants, a chef, front of house, sous chef, and wine sommelier, to sip the tea by itself and to see if they could pick out any flavor notes.
It's delicious. It's got lots of caramel flavour in it.
It's nice. It's quite mellow.
And that's so smooth. And the tannins now, just like a red wine, it's just under the teeth there, just to the edge of the gum.
It's really soft and almost creamy in the mouth. It's very unusual. It's not like any tea I was expecting, to be honest.
Then we did the same with the food.
What are we having? Fillet of beef.
So, Lincolnshire poacher cheese.
Each contestant had a unique dish chosen by Mariella and I, which in turn we paired with a unique tea.
Michael, that's amazing. It really is beautiful.
Toasty flavours.
So that lovely creamy and sweetness, isn't there?
Now it was time to combine one with the other and see what they think.
Wow.
That's rather nice, isn't it?
This is really super. And instantly, the smokiness is gone.
The tea marries very well with the flavours. It brings up the acidity and the toasty and earthy flavours.
Better than a Sauvignon Blanc?
I can't say if it's better,
It's different.
but it's different. It's really nice. It works
And the
remarkably well.
But not everyone was convinced.
Kind of clashes, I think, a little bit.
However, after trying a different cheese with tea combination, even Neil started to come around.
I feel like that is better. It almost brought out more flavour in the cheese.
So, how did drinking tea with their food compare to wine?
Do you think it satisfies, as a pairing, equally to wine?
It has the same effect on the palate. Our taste buds are very clever, telling us what we like and what changes, and that's doing exactly the same thing. The structure is there in the same way that wine is, and most consumers don't think of structure, they're just enjoying it. And that's what we want them to do with tea, just enjoy it.
So the contrast is in temperature is less between the warm dish of the fish and the warm tea. So you're missing that compared to, I would say, a glass of cold white wine. It's just a different experience, isn't it?
It is.
This is my first time trying tea with cheese, so I think I need to do it a couple of more times to get used to it, but I definitely think that, as long as you pair the right ones and marry in flavour, then yes.
It really works really well. It's quite surprising.
Oh, 200% winner, absolutely.
If you enjoyed this video and would love to see more content like this, please do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. In the next few days, we'll be posting full reactions from Richard, Aga, Michael and Neil, and you'll be able to see what teas were paired specifically with which dishes. Till then, happy sipping and have a great day.